HCP Vault Radar now introduces a VSCode scanning plugin to proactively scan your code for unsecure secrets. By integrating secret scanning directly into VSCode, Vault Radar makes secure coding practices seamless, proactive, and developer-friendly. To get started, all I had to do was download the VSCode plugin and license, and then add it the same way I would any new extension. Here you can see the extension in my list and the associated version and other feature details on the right. When I click on the radar icon in the left pane, I see that I can configure a secure connection to my existing Vault cluster. This is going to enable me to index Vault so I can correlate any secrets found by the plugin to see if they are also stored in Vault but have been mishandled, and it enables me to copy secrets directly into Vault. To configure my connection, I'll give it a name, enter my cluster's URL, provide my namespace, admin, and then I'll select an authentication method to securely connect. Once my connection is successfully added, I can see details of that connection in the left pane. I can also kick off the indexing process so that Radar can check secrets found with those stored in Vault. The index results shows me namespaces and mounts that were scanned and information about secrets inventoried. I also now have a tree structure here in the left pane showing the structure of my index. I can use this tree structure to pre-populate paths to copy secrets. Next, let's look at a Python file I'm working on. You can see I've done something that is all too common, and I've hard-coded creds to connect to my database because, well, it's easy and I'm moving quickly. But because I enabled the Radar plugin, I'm also alerted to the fact that I've hard-coded a secret. I can also see that the secret is not stored in Vault because Radar correlated the results of the Vault index to see if it was there. I can also see other useful details like the secret type and the risk severity. I also see a light bulb next to my secret that expands and gives me quick fix options. In this case, I can copy the secret into Vault, ignore the secret, or show remediation instructions so I can get guided steps to resolve this issue. The remediation steps likely include instructions to get the secret stored in Vault, then update the code to point to Vault to grab the securely stored secrets instead. So I'll go ahead and copy the secret to Vault to show you how easy it is to perform this action from here. First, I'll select the KV mount where I want the secret to go here in the left pane, and then click Copy to Vault. And because I selected my target mount in the tree, my namespace and KV mount are auto-populated when I select Copy Secret. So all I have to do is enter my secret path or name, create a key value for the secret, and then hit Enter to start the process. And here I see the message that my secret was successfully copied over, so let's jump into Vault to check things out. Here I see the KV mount I targeted, my secret path, and finally the secret I copied over. Now, to do things the right way to begin with, I need to update my code to remove the hard-coded creds and point to Vault instead. Vault Radar leverages GitHub Copilot to help me with this, so I'm going to select Fix with Copilot. As Copilot starts going to work, you can see a proposed plan being built in the right pane, and then I'll also be asked to respond to prompts along the way if further refinements needed and to allow certain actions. And finally, I can approve the updates once I'm satisfied with the proposed changes. What I end up with is calls to the right Vault functions in my code, so I no longer have hard-coded credentials exposing me to risk. As you can see, this new VSCode plugin provides a streamlined workflow that prevents costly remediation cycles later in production. It shortens exposure windows and strengthens security posture without sacrificing developer velocity.